What's the meaning of carload? Carload. Carload.
Carload. Carload. The term carload refers to a quantity of goods or materials that can be transported by a single railcar, truck, or other means of transportation. It is typically used in the context of shipping and logistics to describe the amount of cargo that can be moved in a single shipment. The specific amount of goods contained in a carload can vary depending on the size and capacity of the vehicle used for transport. Generally speaking, a carload is a standardized unit of measurement used to streamline the logistics and transportation process.